Boys and girls, today during center time, you are going to play a game called Lotto. Each one of you will have a game card that looks something like this. The words will be different, but you'll have a game card that looks like this. You all also have a set of markers and a set of cards. Each of you will take turns drawing a card. You will draw the card and read the name. If the word the person reads has the same ending sound as a word on your board, you're going to cover it with a chip. So if someone said bent, I can look on my board, bent. It ends in an NT, so I could place a marker on one of the words that end in NT, and I would place it on this one right here. Put my marker on there, and then the next person will take their turn.